Ciao amici, welcome to Treviso, a hidden gem just a stone's throw from Venice. While Venice is famous for its sprawling network of canals, Treviso offers a more intimate and equally enhancing waterside experience. This underwater meadow, a verdant forest in a liquid form, is the domain of countless unseen lives. Delicate blades of watergrass, rooted firmly in the riverbed, dance in unison with the current, providing shelter and sustenance for a hidden ecosystem. This isn't just pavement, it's a living tapestry woven from countless individual bricks, each one a testament to the enduring spirit of this medieval city. In 1944, the palace was bombed by Allied planes and nearly destroyed. This is a significant historic landmark built in the 13th century, used as a meeting place for the nobility of Treviso. The first decoration was probably made between 1276 and 1277. The second layer of frescoes dates back to 1313 to 14. So in conclusion, this place was a symbol of the political power of the noble class during the communal period in Treviso and functioned as a space exclusively for their social and political activities. Forget the crowds in Venezia. Here in Treviso, you will find tranquil waterways that whisper tales of history and offer breathtaking views around every bend. Treviso isn't just on the water, that's interwoven with it. The Sile River and its tributaries gently meander through the heart of the city, creating a unique atmosphere and a pace of life that feels refreshingly laid back. But these canals aren't just pretty to look at, they have played a vital role in Treviso's history. They were crucial for trade, transportation of goods, and even powering the city's early industries, like the many mills that once lined their banks. Baby swans, also known as cygnets, are often brown or gray when they hatch. They do not have the white plumage of adult swans right away. What a beautiful moment! Swan family on the Treviso Canal beyond the flower blooming on the bridge. Now, let's tuck away from the main streets for a moment and venture into one of the Treviso's delightful little alleys. These narrow passageways are city's hidden veins, each one whispering secrets of centuries past. As we navigate this slender alleyway, it's easy to imagine the footsteps of countless others who have walked this path before us. Well, look at here. In the tranquil waterways that thread through the charming Italian city of Treviso, a remarkable avian predator has made its domain. This is the cormorant, a creature perfectly adapted to this unique urban ecosystem. Observe its streamlined form, a testament to its lifespan both above and beneath the surface of water. But there is one thing really funny for this swimming animal. Unlike ducks or geese, the cormorant's feathers are not entirely waterproof. So, after swimming, what they do is spread their wings wide and dry out the water from their wing feathers. It has become a somewhat recognizable, albeit perhaps not the most prominent landmark within the city's picturesque canal network. The cormorant, a master of these aquatic realms, has not only claimed the canals as its hunting grounds, but has also ingeniously adopted city's architecture for its most vital task, raising the next generation. Graceful bridges arch like whispers across the flowing currents. These aren't just waterways, they are the lifeblood of Treviso, shaping its history and lending it an undeniable romantic charm. A carpet of lush green grass sways rhythmically with the gentle currents, providing a vibrant underwater meadow. The duck, seemingly unhurried, drifts effortlessly above this submerged landscape, a peaceful coexistence between the life above and below. The clear water acts as a window, allowing us to glimpse this delicate underwater ecosystem, a splash of natural color in the heart of the city. Watch as the resourceful duck embarks on its daily quest. The river, a vital artery of life, offers a bounty of potential sustenance, and our feathered friend is a keen and practiced forager. Emerald waters beneath the watchful gaze of this ancient castle. A hidden tapestry unfolds within the emerald color flowing river. See how the sunshine penetrates the clear depth, bathing the underwater landscape in the radiant light. The green water grass, now fully revealed, appears as an emerald tapestry, swaying gently in the river's flow, each blade catching and reflecting the golden rays. Final day's accommodation is in the hotel near the bus station, so that I can take the bus to go back to the airport.
Fridge.
Perfect place to be lazy until late morning. As you open the slide, and right out there, the bus station.
Not a good idea.
And the toilet is quite simple, but with dryer and shampoo. And a rose. Again, the final butt washer I will see in Venezia. Final day on the streets of Mestre is so weirdly quiet.
Ciò che io so, che mi ha detto la Vale, che lui è in affitto.